What is up, you guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dasani and today I'm back with another video.
Purple tree, plus I got this running me. Curly yellow dancing on me, so she smelled a grin on me.
So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys this hairstyle that I did on my natural hair, and you can actually do it on any hair type, it doesn't matter. But if you guys want to learn how to do this hairstyle and accomplish it, then keep on watching. Okay, so boom, let's get it. So the first thing that we're going to start by doing for this hairstyle is taking the front section of your hair and parting it into like a triangular styled part, and that's just for like the front part of your hair where like the hairstyle is going to go. And then from there you're going to make 3 different sections. The 2 on the side are kind of slanted a little bit, and then you have the middle section of the part, and then you're going to take that part and split it into 3 mini sections. So for the first part of the middle section, I wet it with water, and then I took my Gorilla Snot and applied that on there so that it's smooth when I'm putting it in the rubber band. And right now I'm just smoothing it down, and I grabbed this elastic that I have. I got it from Target, and it's like, okay. For the second part, I kind of made it like slanted, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just repeating what I just did from the first part, and I'm taking half of the first part and putting it into the second rubber band that I'm doing right now, and then I'm gonna do that. For the next part, take the first section little piece and then put it into that second piece, and then I'm gonna keep doing that until I'm done. So I'm gonna just repeat the whole process over. Wet it, smooth it, take a piece from the second section, put it into the third, and vice versa. You get it. So yeah, hope you guys got that, because it's kind of going kind of fast. Okay, so for the side sections, I'm going to be braiding them, and right now what I just did was I wet it and then I put some Gorilla Snot on it, but I'm braiding this section right now. And if you don't know how to braid, then you can do a flat twist, which will look the same, to be honest. So you can do either or, and I'm not the best braider, but I do what I do to get by. But anyway, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm braiding, and yeah. So right here, I just connected the little side piece to the braid. I don't know if that was obvious, but yeah, that's what I just did. Okay, so this is the final look. You can either wear the hairstyle into 2 pigtails, or you can do a half up, half down, which is what I just did here. And I added some jewels in just to give it some more oomph, you already know. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Or you can do a bun, which is what I decided to do in the end, and yeah. So this hairstyle is actually 3 separate ones, so I just put you on, period. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope, I hope you... I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you try this hairstyle out. If you do, let me know in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe down below. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the middle of April, so if you could subscribe, that would really help me a lot, and I would really appreciate it. And I'm posting every weekend now, so if you want to tune into my next video, then make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!